Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're in Bangladesh and want to buy something from Amazon, you may be wondering if the product can be delivered to your location. In this video, I'll show you how to check delivery availability and review the important details before placing an order. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're signed into your Amazon account. Next, search for the product you want to buy and open the product page. Look for the delivery section and enter your delivery location in Bangladesh if required. Amazon will show whether the product can be shipped to your address. Keep in mind that international delivery depends on the product, seller, and destination. If the product is eligible, check the estimated delivery date and shipping cost. Also review the product price and any additional charges that may apply, such as international shipping, taxes, or import fees. If everything looks good, click Add to Cart. Open your cart and review the item, then click Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, confirm your Bangladesh delivery address and select an available shipping method. Review the final order total carefully, including the product price, shipping charges, taxes, and any other costs shown. Choose an available payment method and follow the instructions to complete your purchase. Remember, not every Amazon product can be shipped directly to Bangladesh. If an item isn't eligible, you can try another product or seller that offers international shipping. And that's how to order Amazon products in Bangladesh. Always check delivery availability, shipping costs, estimated delivery dates, and the final total before placing your order. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more Amazon guides. See you in the next video.